Hey, Ari. Hey, Ollie. Miss you guys. But this is where I went. I got on a plane and now I'm in a snowstorm. And it's beautiful out here. And it's really, really cold. And it's snowing just like crazy. Really fun. This big storm came through, and here it gets so cold, instead of rain, we're getting snow and a lot of it. And Kaya's walking around and having a lot of fun, and I bet Bear would have a lot of fun wandering around here. But we have some lit up Christmas trees in the yard here. And they look really nice in the snow. So we like to keep them on like that. We have everything all battened down. And I'm going to get the snow blower out to start clearing the driveway. And we're having fun in the snow. Because with snow, you can make snowballs and have fun and build snowmen and things like that. So someday you'll have to come and play in the snow. But I was just hanging with you, and now I'm getting to play in the snow. It's a funny thing that you could do that. Get on a jet and come all the way over to Pop-Pop's house. Love you guys. Bye, Ari. Bye, Ollie.